Hello, traders, and welcome to Elliott Currency. So basically, this is quick webinar where we have a trade running on XAU USD that I sent to my Telegram group. So basically, what we have is 70 pips currently, 60, 70 pips, and the trade is still running. Today, we already had a very good trade, guys. Actually, last week on gold, and gold is continuing to be the best market to trade. So what I'm expecting quick trading ideas is rejection towards 1735, and if we get into this 17, 20, 30 zone, we might see a bullish bounce. So currently, I'm shorting gold on all accounts. You can see here, and you can see this account history. Guys, huge profits on all accounts. Basically, big profits. Whatever I trade, guys, I try to be always successful. So here, shoulder head shoulder formation also. Trying to see if the market will reject down and lower, but obviously this is short, and every trade that I have made so far is my system trade, daily system I trade on daily time frames, but I also can trade intraday, scalp, and of course, swing position. So here on the XAU USD, we have shoulder head shoulder formation and a potential for the more market movement to the downside. All right. Next thing, what we can see also is euro dollar. Euro dollar is literally in a range. I have one full long running another account corporate, but currently it's not going anywhere. It went down, but it was bought. Uh, Somehow I still think that this can be a buying move, and this is the reason why gold is dropping, but euro dollar is not dropping. So this sort of correlation has definitely it's there, but it's not very strong as it was. But definitely this is potential for long, or eventually if the market breaks, maybe it's a short breakout trade. Two more trades that I'm paying attention to are GBP Australian dollar. I would like to see a long trade, and I think that the GBP Australian dollar can be long. Give me 2 moments. I will show you right away. So GBP Australian dollar, which I want to see a bullish candlestick close on a daily time frame. So if I see bullish candlestick close on a daily, it means that market close is like pin bar, I will go long. If I see close like this, I won't be doing anything. So bullish candlestick close is a signal for long. Only bullish candlestick close. Dollar cat similar thing. You see, this is bearish pin bar, and if I see now a bullish pin bar, it will be my proprietary TBR bearish. So if I see this, also it will be a sign for a long trade. So anywhere, guys, the result is clear. My book result is there already. It's very positive. Account has been very positive. So I don't have any problems to actually hold these trades. But first, I want to see signal. So dollar cat potential long, GBP Australian dollar potential long, already said. GBP Australian dollar needs to have bullish close, then the trade is valid. Gold is short, and I am still short. I have on my corporate account the trade, which is running very nicely. And of course, the last thing that I will show is who I think is S&P 500. If I see bearish close, like full bearish candlestick, this will be confirmed double top and market is going down. However, if the market closes with spinning top or it closes higher, there is a chance that it could be a breakout and market will go higher up. I hope that you enjoy quick trading ideas. For more, sign up for ETS Live service that I trade. It's a Telegram service where I put all trades that I do with clear risk and trade benefits. See you soon, guys. Bye for now.